Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be frying dumplings, so if you're interested, stay tuned. Right now I have all my ingredients for my fried dumpling, like my flour, my butter, my salt, water, and my baking powder. So I'm going to start mixing. All done now with my dough. I'm about to make my dumpling. There's many ways to shape dumplings, but this is the way that I like to make it. Alright? So I'm pouring my oil in now in my Dutch pot. You gotta cook this on medium. With this dumpling, this fried dumpling, you can just eat it with ackee and saltfish. You can eat it with just saltfish cooked with tomatoes and stuff like that. You can eat it with fish, fresh fish. You can eat it with chicken, whatever you desire you eat this with. No big deal. I'm gonna flip the dumpling now. With this dumpling, if you ask me what I'm going to eat this with, I'm going to eat it with some ackee and saltfish. Man, you can't go wrong. Now look how pretty this is. I'm going to remove them from the pot and put a new batch.